Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute baby mouse. So you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a cute baby mouse. Now let's draw another tiny mouse. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my pencil. It will create a nice gray color. In its ears, I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my pencil again. And here's my pink pen again. Wow, it's looking very cute. Thank you so much for watching.